Man, this feels really good in the hand. This is nice. I like this one a lot. Look at the branding there, Pitaka. This is a hot looking case. I think I like this one the best. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have some great cases here from Pitaka. I wanted to thank them for sending these over. Pitaka makes some of the best cases here, and I have it here for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now this is the ultra slim case. I also have the Aramid Pro Guard case, which is nice. A little more protection, but still has that slim profile that Pitaka is popular for. And also the Aramid Ultra Guard case, which is a little in between the ultra thin slim and this Pro Guard case. But and also have this here, this MagSafe phone ring that you can use to cup your phone or hold it or act as a kickstand, that kind of thing. So let's check out the ultra slim case first. This is the one that I wanted to check out first, and this has got some really cool colors on here. Look at this, isn't that nice? Now this is the Lucid Blue, so we'll check that out. Also has some spacer guide. Use only when Pitaka tap is unresponsible for light tap. So this is beautiful. Look at this case, super slim profile, got that nice Aramid fiber. This is powered by it says our exclusive Pitaka tap technology, crafted from aerospace grade Aramid fiber for strength and elegance. Ultra thin, feather light, I mean barely there feel. 100% MagSafe compatible, wireless charging ready, scratch resistant and durable, long lasting. So this thing is an absolute beast. So we're gonna go ahead and put our, ooh, man, that fits real good inside. Look at that. Isn't that clean looking with the silver? You got your little protection there for your cameras. You got your opening there for your power button. You got your camera control here. So you can hit your button, take your pictures, or I don't even think I ever used camera control, but that does work well. You got your opening there for your power, your up and down, your volume up and down, also your power button, then your camera. Not a lot of protection on the front as far as like a lip, but it does provide a nice little slim design. All right, so and it also features this Pitaka tap design there with your camera control, so that you can control your camera. So if you open it up, you obviously have the button here that you can adjust the zoom, do all that good stuff. So it's embedded underneath the Aramid fiber, which makes it a little easier to use your camera control button. If you do use that a lot, it does come in handy. So that's kind of cool. But other than that, man, it's a beautiful design. It's got a great color on it. Look at that. Again, look at the camera. Good protection there. I wish it did cover the full camera, but Pitaka has a design and a style. You got great openings there for your Type-C, your speakers, all the way around. Great coverage on the corners, but you do have that front part that's doesn't have a lip over it, but it does make it feel like a minimal design, like you have no case on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So that is kind of cool. That is the Lucid Blue. Also comes in a cool golden glint, which is a gold color, this color here, but completely gold. So that is kind of hot. As far as the MagSafe, works pretty good. Boom, you get your MagSafe rocking and rolling. You're gonna be able to rock. It's pretty strong too, it's not gonna pop off. So as far as the MagSafe is concerned, it is nice. All right, so I wanted to show you the MagSafe phone ring holder. And this one matches the Ultra Slim case there with the nice matching, and then you get your MagSafe there, so if you want to hold on to it, you can. Also, if you want to use it as a kickstand, you can, like so. So you're watching videos, landscape, then you're good to go. And then if you wanted to check out your, use it like a pop socket, you're good to go. And it's nice and slim and trim, so it still fits in your pocket. It's got a nice slim profile. You don't have to worry about anything. You can use it when you want, and it matches. All right, the other one we have is the Aramid Pro Guard case. Now, go ahead and take this out. And this is a little more bigger design, not as slim, more of a normal looking case, but it's still slim on the back. It has MagSafe on it, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. This one does protect the lips a little more, does come around it. It does feel a little more comfortable in the hand also to use. This one, I feel like it's something that I would really enjoy because the other ones are really slim, and that it is an ultra slim case. This one is a little more, has a little more grip to it, so you feel like you can get it, and it's got that Moonrise design. Also comes in the sunset gold, so if you want to check that out, you can. And it does have different, this is the, I believe this is the Cairn design, or comes in the edge, the case type, but this is the Cairn because it has the more subtle rubber on the side, as you can see there. So this does come in 3 styles. You got the Summa, the Cairn, which this is it here. This is the Cairn. The edge, which is more the without this thicker part here. And then you do have your camera control button there, so that you're easy to use that. You can, but I do like this one. This does have a nice feel to it. You got some good openings there for your Type-C. And as far as the MagSafe is concerned, really strong. You're gonna be able to charge it and be on the go, no problem at all. But I do like the feel of this one. It's a little different than the regular Aramid fiber case. It offers you a little more grip, a little more arch core and more cushioning all around the fence. But this does have the same great Aramid fiber reinforced shock absorbing TPU. So, and this does have drop protection, so if you do drop it, you're gonna have a little more of a protection on it. I do like this one a lot. This is really nice. All right, and the final one is the Aramid Ultra Guard case, and this one is a nice one. This one is in black, so we're gonna go check this one out. And this one is more of the, it's not the ultra slim, and this is more of the, I believe this one is called, I'm trying to pull it up here. This is more of the, oh God, yeah, the Summa. So this is the Summa Case design, and it's got that 600D black. Man, this feels really good in the hand. This is nice. I like this one a lot. Look at that branding there, Pitaka. This is a hot looking case. I think I like this one the best. So let's go ahead and pump this one in there. I think I'd like to get this one in the Cairn. So it's got that nice TPU on the sides. It would probably look really, really good. But this one is hot looking. You get the Aramid fiber there. Aerospace grade Aramid fiber for strength and design. I like this one a lot. This one's got a nice little feel to it. Really, really nice feel to it. And you got the camera button there with the camera controls, so that you can change your styles, do whatever you need to do. That works really well. Good protection there with your cameras, your Type-C. Look at that. Your buttons here are really good as far as the alert slider, volume up and down, then your power button on this side. So, and as far as the MagSafe is concerned, you're good to go. You're gonna be rocking and rolling. But man, these cases are all nice from Pitaka. Make sure you try to pick one of these up. I do like this one a lot. I like the grip on this one, but man, I think this one might be my favorite. But I think I would like the black in this one. So we're gonna see which one I like. This one is the ultra slim. This is the executive one. This is the one you put in your pantsuit. Okay, you don't want to be out and about with that because it's super slim and trim. But these are really, really, really nice.